chair?
What do you want? Will go now? By night?
Some on it. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. So it's a Sunday and I am all set to play cricket in the evening in Andheri. And before that, we might go to Navi Mumbai to do some shopping. And क्या और क्या करने के लिए यार ये धूप पे जाना पड़ेगा और कुछ नहीं.
ऍक्च्युली उन्हामध्ये अजिबात जायचं नाहीये कारण की इट्स गोइंग टू बी व्हेरी हॉट आणि दुपारी तर खूपच गरमी होते. बट स्टील संडे आहे आणि आजच वेळ भेटणार आहे. सो आय सिन्स बेबी इज गोइंग दॅट वे आय थॉट ओके आय जस्ट टेक फुल मौका अँड आय डू सम शॉपिंग. आणि मग ऍज युजल नवी मुंबईला गेली तर आय मीट मम्मी डॅडी अनु अँड कम.
ठीक आहे. सो बघू.
चला तर पाहू आजचा दिवस कसा जातो.
Did you touch the laptop? Did you go and sleep on it? Did you? Or did you do it? Who did it? Coco? You only must have done it. Somebody wants milk. देखा? Coco, on milk? What are all these packets for, baby? Boiling them now?
This is today's. This is yesterday's. Holi ke दिन we didn't drink, no? We were out. तो वो running ले क्या बोलते हैं? Scissors ला ना baby.
नहीं.
उधर उधर है.
This fellow has climbed up. Hey, what you want? You want milk? Chal, get down. Charlie, down. Both of them want milk. Charlie, you had your food? You had your food? What are you looking? Say yes, you had. Cartoon. हम लोग का पाव आ गया. Hriday has started to go down to get things, so we've got a delivery boy at home. And baby, what have you made? What is this called? Chipla. Chila. You were supposed to what?
It was supposed to be veg, but I just mixed.
अच्छा अंडा मारा है क्या? अरे एक नंबर. You should have told me. I would have taken the recipe also, but people would might
It's okay.
next time. Pooja's kitchen stories. हृदय को दूँ क्या ये? Let him have.
No, you have. That's for you.
No, because I have to make tea, you know.
I'll make.
ठीक है. हृदय, अरे तू किधर ही? You don't drink so much of water, darling. You need to have breakfast.
I'll be okay.
Oh, you will be okay. Okay. Transformers डाल जा जल्दी.
नहीं. Baby, yaar, I don't like to watch that. Kir.
Go put mom, Hriday.
Put MasterChef, na?
No, mom.
Please, I've not watched 2-3 episodes.
क्या है? Who is winning? तो we all know already.
No, we don't know who's winning. Tell.
Who is winning? Gaurav is winning.
No.
Faizu is not winning. No. Faizu is out. Charlie, who is winning the MasterChef? तेरे को घंटा फर्क पड़ता है.
See, you also telling no?
What?
That person is winning.
Faizu. I don't know what you like in Faizu, Hriday.
Cooking.
That's very cool. Where's Coco, by the way?
See, it's come out एकदम perfect.
Good. Chalo, let's have. These are really tasty, huh, baby?
खाया तूने?
Yeah, really good. Nice. Oh, lemon tea. Oh, a transparent glass. Chal, come now. We're watching mom.
Hriday, look here. I want to click your photo.
Smile properly, here, darling. Done? Did you click now? Wow, really nice, yeah?
Hey, don't touch my phone. It will go somewhere.
The whole world has seen it already. We were supposed to leave, but somebody is not ready to
Yes, that is Mama.
get up. Yeah. Mama doesn't want to go.
Yes.
काय करायचं आता हाँ मैं नहीं going to play cricket and Hriday also is coming with me इसका पता नहीं क्या बोलने का भी. So a bit of change in plans. It's very simple. I'll be dropping baby at Vashi and she's going to do her shopping. She's getting ready there and I and Hriday will head to Andheri to play cricket. After a long time I'm going to play. I don't know whether I'll have that much of stamina to play for 2 hours. And let's see how it works out. Keep myself hydrated. I'll be taking on the way. I'll be buying a lot of protein things.
For hydration, you need protein.
Arey, not only for that. Apart from water, I need some something to munch. No, so you have these Nutri bars. I'll have that as well. So we leave in 5 minutes. We are all set to go. Of course, without Charlie Coco. I've taken the car keys, no? Yes, I have. Yes. I'll call for the lift. Let's go, let's go. I'm wearing my new shoes. Yay. And I also was wearing his Christmas shoes. What are you planning to shop?
I don't know. Let's see. Something, but t-shirts maybe. Nowadays I have a lot of kurtas. Buy some t-shirts now.
Yeah, buy some nice shorts also.
Yeah.
Flaunt those sexy legs. Chalo, car also using
Bit
after
of
1
cardio.
week. Yeah. Using the car also after a week. Our car is parked there, so we'll have to walk till that lane. It's a lovely day. Coming to the car almost a week later. Sunday को उन लोग धोते नहीं है. They have apparently a holidays on Sunday. But I had told them कि Sunday को छुट्टी मत ले लो मेरे लिए. But then its majority speaks. A bit dirty यार. पानी तो मारना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. Baby is getting down. You're dropping her at Vashi.
Chalo, bye guys. Enjoy.
Yes, bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
ये कैसे है?
Just reached a bit of stretching. I've come in early. I'm not going inside as of now to the turf. We'll wait for 5 minutes and then go in. If I want to pee or something, might as well finish it up before we start playing the game. And this will be. Oh, I'm not taking it out. parking. Of course, luckily there is a parking here, but it's chargeable 2 hours for $75, which is quite reasonable and okay. So that's good. I'll show you this. I'll show you the turf once we enter. Reza is stretching. Let him stretch. Maybe I don't know what she's doing there. Come to know later on only what she's doing. Okay, so now let's go inside. This is where we shall play. There are 4 turfs here. 2 are already occupied. Yeah, the turf is big. First time you're seeing, no? Like this. This is where we usually play. This is how the turf is. Waiting for everybody to join in. Apparently people are late. So the thing is, we are 20 of us, and I'll tell you all the rates and I'll speak to the guy and tell you exactly what it is. So in case you guys want to go in here, I'll share all the details as well.
फायनली सगळी शॉपिंग झालेली आहे. हे माझे शॉपिंग बॅग आणि आता मी मम्मीकडे चालली आहे. खालीच कोण भेटलं? पप्पा खाली जात होते, परत आले. खुल्लाच आहे. दरवाजा खुल्ला आहे. हॅलो. बिचारी मम्मी माझी वाट बघून बघून रात्र झाली. काय खाते?
रामफळ.
रामफळ.
बघ बटरी मस्त लागतं. हा
Yes.
Brilliant.
You're taking the break?
Yeah, I'm out.
Out.
Yeah. Took a very good catch. Show me how you're going to bat in case you get to bat. What is it? Is that how you hold the bat? Take a proper stance. You're playing hockey, man, not playing cricket also. At the moment, we are losing the match. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. He'll take. Ready? Hey. Ready? Take a proper stand, re Baba. Ready? Okay, I'll give you an easy one to hit. Good. Good. Chalo, say bye to everybody.
तेरे को तू खाना चाहिए दिन रात.
Lines होता उस आइस नहीं डालो.
Nice.
Good.
भाई सोडा मीठा.
That's it? You liked it?
You're going to the gym tomorrow?
ये लो भाई.
So guys, this is where I end the vlog. Obviously we had an amazing time at the turf. This turf is in Andheri West. It's called Chitrakoot. So in case you guys want to hire the turf, go and book it right now. And of course we have a lot still to show in the next vlog. सो स्टे ट्यून फॉर द सेम. सो असं होता हा आमचा अर्धा व्लॉग. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.